Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Golf Style 2.0 TDI with 115 horsepower, this one-owner beauty in blue is ready to impress. With 102,000 kilometres on the clock, this estate boasts a sleek 2-litre diesel engine and manual transmission. Packed with luxury features like engine start button, internet connection and lane departure warning, this Golf Style is both comfortable and secure. Plus, with anti-collision system, multiple airbags and trailer stability program, safety is a top priority. Rest assured with a full multi-point health check, manufacturer servicing and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us today or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information on this Volkswagen Golf Style. Drive away in style and sophistication today.